good exercise about the gap, especially when you work with this not being imagination, you come out of imagination. Sometimes the tendency will be like, oh wow, it was imagination again, and come back to be present to the totality of the now. That's what we do. But a good slight variation is that as you become aware that you are in a thought, or become aware that you are veiled by a thought, consciousness is getting more awake, the thought fades away, to notice the gap, to notice not the traffic, not this, not that, to just notice this, just being. I am, yeah, amness, the amness. Which is effortless, that's the thing. As the thought fades away, then there's no, the other thought didn't come up yet, but I am, you know, I am, presence is. It's like that, like a thought. It's like, and then it goes away. It's a little bit like this. Imagine that this is a thought. This is a thought, and then fades away, and it, what remains is just effortlessly being aware. This aware silence. But that's why they say that this gap or this presence is the most subtlest of the subtlest. It's the most subtle of the subtlest, and the difficulty at the beginning is that we want something special. There is some kind of misunderstanding or some thing that we want something juicy or pleasant or something very tangible, when actually it's already here, you know, it's here, but it's not majestic or spectacular. That's what Francis talks about, having a glimpse. It's not a glimpse of something spectacular or amazing, it's a glimpse of something very, as Paul would say, Paul, right? Dog shit awareness. It's not like divine, majestic, wonderful, yummy awareness. It's a dog shit awareness. So then, but gradually or instantly, at some point, we kind of get it. We can get it in a very, very clear way, or we get it in a way that we don't know that we got it. And then that kind of deepens or gets a chance to know itself.
Yeah, I like how you said it's effortless, because melting away, letting go, and all my life I've strived. But that's what when I have felt things, it's the letting go. It's effortless, like you're saying. It's good to be reminded.
Yeah. It's a little tricky with this effortlessness because there's need of effort. Depends where we are at. If we are in a low state of wakefulness, then it's a lot of these eyes, and then effortlessness doesn't apply. It's not the right tool. It's important to snap out of it by engaging attention in the phenomenal now. Bring yourself back to the phenomenal now.
So would you say like
and
you're guiding yourself and then
you
there's
are
a
guiding
point where
yourself
you
out
can,
of the woodwork,
yeah,
and then there is a point when actually a lot of effort and constant, like what this constant, like come on, at some point that becomes an obstacle. So effortlessness is the way, and this can shift in one's day. Mike.